This is the summary for lesson 2. So a little bit more, a little review of using a circular grid. And so the center point of the grid is the center of dilation. So as you move points out and move images out, or move images in for that matter, on the circular grid, this is the center from which they're going to move. And so in this case, this is the point that is scaled or dilated right here. And if you move that point, double the distance, that's a scale factor of 2. So this is 1, 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So this has been, that image has been dilated out, has been moved from this point here to this point using a scale factor of 2. This image here has been moved from this point to this point using a scale factor of 2.5. So this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, and this is a half of those units. So 2.5 times 2 is 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another way to look at it. But since it's 2.5, you can count 2 of these circles as 1 unit. In this case of the scale, this is 2 units, and this would be half of that. So this is a scale factor of 2.5. This would be a scale factor of how much? So I'm going to call this 1 unit. So this is 2 units, 3 units, and then another half. So this is a scale factor of 3.5. 1, 2, 3, and then half that distance. So a scale factor of 3.5. And so if we have these triangles here, have the blue triangle, and it's going to be scaled, it's going to be dilated to the green triangle. So each of these points, if you draw these pink line segments through the vertices, each of these points is going to be moved out twice as far because the scale factor is 2. The points are going to be on the same ray, the same line segment out from the center. And so A prime is twice as far. So this is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. 2 times 3 is 6. So this would be 4, 5, 6 units. So A prime is 6 units out. B prime is twice as far. 1, 2, 3. It's also 6 units out. 4, 5, 6. But C prime is farther out. C is 4 units out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So C prime is 2 times 4, or 8 units out. And you can see that if you carefully trace this around, you're going to see that it's 2 circles farther out than this one, which is at 6 units, or 6 circles. So a little review, a little summary on using circle grids, scale factors, the center of dilation. All right, so that's the summary for lesson 2.